Well, are we having a happier lunch? Are we? Yeah? Maybe? I think we're having a happier lunch. Oh, no? You want out? Let's see, what do you got on your face? Ah! It's yogurt. And Mama's bringing in my pouch of goo. Oh, where is she? Where is she? Where? Ah, you see her? Yeah. What happens to the feet when you see Mama? They kick, kick, kick. What kind do you have? Spinach, apple, pear? Yeah? What kind is it going to be?
Pear and butternut squash.
Pear and butternut squash. Oh, yummy, yummy.
There you go.
Oh, boy. He's like an astronaut. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Say, well, see you later. We got a little bit on our face. Woo. Are you sharing? Oh, no, don't drop it. Hold it.
Oh, I don't make a mess.
Let's hold it.